Good morning, my friends. Sammy here with another video. Today's video, we will be visiting a building which I known as ATS, or Aerial Target Systems. Behind this gate lies that building. Interesting enough, it was being used by the Puerto Rico Air Maintenance Institute just recently before Hurricane Maria. However, they moved from here to a school in Fajardo. It was pretty good to see that they were using these buildings. Now they're just abandoned once again. All right, let's go check it out. Here we are at the Aerial Target System facilities in Roosevelt Roads. I'm gonna make a pan through the area so you guys can see more or less the buildings. So let's see that, and then I will go into each building and you guys can see what's left in these buildings. Take a look inside this building right behind me, which I don't recall being from part of the ATS buildings, but yet a building that's located near the facilities. So let's take a look inside. have this one. Looks like, for what I see inside, it was being used by the school at one point. But I know this building was for another purpose when Roosevelt was active. So if you guys know what it was for, leave it in the comments below. Here's one of the first buildings in the aerial target systems. I believe this looks like the supply building for the racks that I see in the building. Let's take a look around. As you can see so far, the school was using most of the buildings. What I see in the books there doesn't pertain to the AFODF or the Roosevelt operation, but actually they pertain to the school's operation where they would teaching aerial maintenance to the young folks. Well, this was one of the hangars that hosted many of the aerial targets. I have a video on that where they used to launch the targets. They used to be assembled and maintained here. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll leave a little card up here so you can see that video. I recall this building being full of those drones, like you see, all empty. This airplane, as you can see behind me, was left by the school were being used to practice for the kids studying avionics. By the tail number, maybe my friend Jose Siaka, who used to work in this facility and is an enthusiast of airplanes, could probably figure out and get better pictures when this airplane was in service. Recently, they filmed a movie here at Rosie Roads, and this airplane was used. It was wrapped in a different color, but that's the airplane that's in the movie. I don't recall the name of the movie right now, but if I find out, I will leave it in the video description or text. I recall these being used for tests of the drones. There you have it, my friends. This side, I believe, was the fueling space for the drones. And I'll wrap up this video right here. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And see you in the next one.